Hey everyone, today I'm taking you deep into one of the toughest environments I've ever stepped into, the rugged mountain wilderness. Out here, survival isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. Every choice you make, every step you take, can determine whether you make it back home or not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to stay alive in this harsh terrain with almost nothing on me, just my phone with a tiny bit of battery, a few basic items, and my understanding of how nature works. When you're lost or stuck in a remote area, the very first challenge you face is maintaining your energy. Your body burns calories fast, way faster than you expect, especially when you're climbing rocks, walking long distances, or dealing with cold winds. That's why finding food becomes one of the highest priorities in any survival situation. But remember, this is not about sport, and it's not about harming nature. It's about making smart decisions that keep you alive while showing respect for the environment around you. Observe and plan my next move. From here, I could see the valley below and the sky above. Judging the sunlight helped me understand how much time I had left before darkness took over. And trust me, night in the wilderness is something you do not want to be unprepared for. I started exploring the area around the shelter for potential food sources. There were small shrubs, fallen seeds, and insects hiding under loose stones. As I moved along the mountain ridge, I could hear distant bird calls echoing through the valley. This area has a healthy population of chukar partridges, beautiful birds that are part of the natural ecosystem here. I used the very last bit of battery left on my phone to play a recording of their call, not as a hunting tactic, but as a survival learning method. To observe how wildlife responds to familiar sounds. Animals often react out of curiosity, communication, or caution, and if you pay attention, you can learn a lot about your surroundings simply by watching them. After a few minutes, I noticed how some of the nearby chukars changed their behavior. A few came closer, moving carefully across the rocks. Their reactions told me something extremely valuable: where water might be located, which areas had vegetation, and what direction I should travel to find safer ground. In survival, animals can reveal hidden resources, edible plants, insects, water sources, things that can save your life when everything else fails. I set up a simple, non-harmful snare, mostly to study behavior and test how the birds interacted with the environment. One of them got caught lightly in the trap, but as always, I made sure to release it afterward, unharmed and free. Out here, survival knowledge isn't about causing unnecessary harm. It's about understanding ancient human techniques and knowing how they work when absolutely needed. Once the bird flew away safely, I packed up and kept moving deeper into the harsh mountain terrain. The mountainside was brutal. Every step felt risky. Sharp rocks, loose gravel, steep edges. The air was thin and dry, and I could feel the temperature dropping as the sun moved behind the peaks. In conditions like this, the first rule is simple. Conserve your energy. Move slowly, avoid unnecessary climbs, and save your strength for when you really need it. The second rule is just as important. Always scan the land before choosing a direction. One wrong move can cost you hours or worse. Eventually, I found a shaded corner between two massive rocks, the perfect temporary shelter. The natural shape blocked the wind and created a safe spot to rest. This entire experience taught me something powerful. Survival isn't about being the strongest person out there. It's about awareness, patience, and respect for nature. It's about reading the land. Thank you so much for watching this journey. I hope this video inspires you to learn more about survival, nature, and how to stay safe in unpredictable situations. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next adventure.